perfect pie crust recipe. This recipe is good for sweet and savory pies. This flaky and buttery crust recipe is good for 9 inches of double crust pie. Let's make it. Bismillah. Ingredients: 8 ounces of cold salted butter, ½ cup of ice cold water, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add flour and butter to food processor. You can also do this process with hands by using fingertips or pastry cutter. Press the power button a few times until mixture turns crumbly. Once mixture turns crumbly, add ½ cup of ice cold water. Press the power button a few times until dough forms. Don't overmix it. Cover the dough in a cling wrap and refrigerate it for ½ hour before use. You can also freeze this pie dough up to 2 months. Make your desired desserts or savory pies. This recipe is good for 9 inches of double crust pie. Cut the recipe in half if using for single crust pie. Check my other pie making videos. Link is in description. If you like this recipe or if you have any questions regarding this recipe, kindly hit the like button and let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.